Hello student, welcome to Sanjeevani KBP Polytechnic. I am Mrs. Bhattar GS, teaching you chemistry. In our previous video, we have gone through Faraday's laws of electrolysis. Now, as I told you, in electrochemistry, we continuously move around a term that is electrolysis. Electrolysis is nothing but the process of passing electricity through the solution. So, when we carry electrolysis, whether it find applications, then there are number of applications for electrolysis. Two of them we are discussing over here. First one is electro-refining and second one is electroplating. We will first go for electro-refining. So electro for electrolysis, refining that is to have pure, to obtain pure. Refine करना म्हणजे purify करना. So what is electro-refining? The process of obtaining pure metal from impure form or from impure metal by electrolysis is known as electro-refining. Impure metal पासून pure metal मिळवणे by electrolysis हे electro-refining आहे. So how to perform electrolysis? Electrolysis is performed in a container, and here we are electro-refining copper. That is, we are extracting extra pure copper from blister copper or impure copper. For that, take copper sulfate solution in a beaker, then impure copper, and use impure copper as an anode. Whereas, take a copper plate and connect it to cathode, that is to negative terminal of battery. The positive terminal of battery is anode, which we are serving as a impure copper, whereas negative terminal as a copper plate to collect pure copper. Now as soon as battery is on, electricity will start flowing through the solution. So what will happen? Oxidation at anode take place. Oxidation at anode take place, whereas reduction at cathode take place. Oxidation means loss of electron. Oxidation means dissolution. Oxidation means dissolving, loss. Whereas reduction means to gain, to accept. So you are observing in the animation that impure anode tend to dissolve, हे विरघळतंय, and whereas only copper ion from this anode migrate towards cathode. Copper carries plus charge, cathode carries minus charge. Hence, this positively ion discharge over this copper plate, and whatever copper we collect at cathode is pure copper, which is up to 99.99% pure. Whereas impurity from anode does not reaches to cathode. They settle down as a anode mud. Why only copper ion migrate towards cathode? Because voltage applied through battery is supporting only for copper ion to get discharged at cathode. Moreover, copper ion concentration in the solution is high, as solution is of copper sulfate and anode is dissolving to give maximum copper ion. Hence, solution is enriched with copper ion. So, extra concentrated copper ion easily migrate towards cathode and deposit at cathode as a pure copper. How that can be better understood by the reaction? At anode, oxidation takes place. This impure copper blister tend to dissolve to give copper ion with loss of electron. These copper ion from anode migrate towards cathode, which is negatively charged, accepts electron, and now settle as a pure copper. Whatever copper you get on cathode is 99.99% pure copper, which is fit for electrical application. Remember guys, for electrical application, we need extra pure copper because impurities in copper leads loss of electricity. To avoid loss of electricity, before using copper for electrical purpose, it must be electro-refined. No other technique gives this much of pure copper. Means it is essential to have extra pure copper by means of electro-refining. Now we'll move for second application, that is electroplating. What is meant by electro again? Electro is electrolysis. Plating एकावरती दुसऱ्याला चा मुलामा देणे. एकाला दुसऱ्यावरती पेंट करणे, दॅट इज अ प्लेटिंग. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी असं म्हणू शकते की यू आर हॅव्हिंग सिल्वर ऑर्नामेंट, तुमच्याकडे चांदीचे दागिने आहेत अँड यू आर पॉलिशिंग इट विथ गोल्ड प्लेटिंग तुम्ही करताय, that also can be done by means of electroplating. Got it? So what is electroplating? Plating of more resistive metal like gold, silver over inferior article by the process of electrolysis is known as electroplating. Meaning अर्थ पहा की I am having a spoon of steel, माझ्याकडे लोखंडाचा चमचा आहे and I want to give it golden touch. So what I need to do? I have to plate that steel spoon with the help of gold. That is gold plating, and it can be done by means of electrolysis. So how to perform electrolysis? Here we are observing in animation. Again, the metal used for plating is served as anode. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर गोल्डचं प्लेटिंग करायचंय तर गोल्डचा रॉड तुम्ही एनोड म्हणून सर्व करता. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू प्लेट सिल्वर, again silver rod will be as an anode, and the object to be plated like spoon, ornament, you will connect it to what? Cathode. म्हणजे ज्या दागिन्यावरती किंवा ज्या ऑब्जेक्ट वरती तुम्हाला कोटिंग करायचे त्याला कशाला अटॅच करायचे? कॅथोडला अटॅच करायचे. व्हॉट विल हॅपन? एनोड विल डिझॉल्व, हा एनोड विरघळतो आणि डिझॉल्व एनोड विल मायग्रेट टुवर्ड्स कॅथोड and will be plated at cathode, and here our cathode is our ornament or article, and hence whatever will happen will be electroplating. जसं तुम्ही इथे ऑब्झर्व करताय की गोल्ड रॉड विरघळतोय हा आणि कोटिंग होतंय. ओके, सिल्वर साठी रिएक्शन्स एक्सप्लेन केल्यात. Suppose you want to have silver coating, then in beaker you are going to take silver nitrate solution. Anode will be of silver rod and cathode will be of object. Silver nitrate will already consist of silver ion during electrolysis. Anode will dissolve, will oxidize to give silver ion. It means solution is with rich or excessive silver ion. This excessive silver ion will easily migrate towards cathode and will deposit on cathode, that is on article. Is it okay? One more animation is there. See here, this is anode and whatever deposition is there, that is on what? Cathode. This cathode is growing in size, whereas anode is reducing in size. म्हणजे मला जर चमच्याला प्लेटिंग करायचंय सिल्वरचं, चमचा मला कुठे अटकवायचा आहे, कुठे ठेवायचा आहे, काय म्हणून ट्रीट करायचंय? कॅथोड म्हणून. आणि सिल्वर प्युअर रॉड मी काय म्हणून ट्रीट करेन? एनोड म्हणून. म्हणजे हा सिल्वर रॉड असं इमॅजिन करा आणि सिल्वर रॉड विरघळतोय आणि हे प्लेटिंग कशावरती होतंय? ह्या स्पून वरती होतंय. अँड नाऊ when you will take spoon out of the solution after plating, you will find that the spoon is of silver. That is nothing but what? Silver plating. What are the applications of electroplating? Major applications of electroplating is to make article more decorative, more valuable. म्हणजे एखादी लोखंडाची वस्तूच आपण चांदीसारखी किंवा सोन्यासारखी बनवतो, म्हणजे त्याला मोर डेकोरेशन किंवा व्हॅल्युएबल बनवलं जातं. टू प्रोटेक्ट बेस मेटल फ्रॉम करोजन, बेस मेटल जो आहे त्याला सुपेरियर बनवणं किंवा करोजन फ्री बनवणं, बिकॉज गोल्ड सिल्वर डझंट हॅव प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ करोजन. दॅट इज to make base metal corrosion free or protective towards corrosion. For that also we can go for electroplating. And to repair tools of machine or to repair parts of machine which are continuously suffering through friction, म्हणजे मेटलचे जर काही भाग झिजलेले असतील तर त्यांची झीज भरून काढण्यासाठी सुद्धा काय केलं जाऊ शकतं? प्लेटिंग केलं जाऊ शकतं. Hope you have gone through both application, that is electro refining and electroplating. Thank you.